हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने बात करा था मेक फाइल के थ्रू वीएस कोड में कैसे मल्टीफाइल प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं सी प्लस प्लस में। अब हम बात करेंगे कि विदाउट मेक फाइल सिंपली एक रन बटन क्लिक करके हम मल्टीफाइल प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे रन करते हैं। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले एक डेमो देख लेते हैं, फिर मैं बताता हूँ कैसे बनाते हैं। ठीक है, एक सी प्रोजेक्ट तैयार कर रहे हैं। पहले न्यू फोल्डर बाय द नेम ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट। Okay, so we have successfully created a project by the name of project. Source file we have main. Okay, let me create a multi-file program. I am using okay, so we have created two files. One is main.c and other is other.c. Both files are interdependent. Like the variable used in file 1 is defined and declared in file 2. Let's run it by clicking the run button, and here you can see the output 404. Okay, or in the last video we just did that by using the command make and by using make file, but in this tutorial I won't use any make file or make command. I will just click on that run button and it will give me an output. Okay, so let me show you another example, like some large program. Okay, so let me do that. I'm using a function by the name of fun. Okay, and let me declare that function in some other file, fun.c. Okay, so let us suppose मैं प्रिंट करवा लेता हूँ। ठीक है, लेट्स दिस फंक्शन प्रिंट hello. Okay, that's enough. And in main function I have to include its header file, its library. I have to include that. User defined fun.h. My hands are actually shaking, I don't know why. And let me create another file, header file, where I will define the function prototype void fun. Let me save that. Okay, so why it is showing error? I have fun. Okay, and here is the other C. Initial path setting and include fun.h. Okay, let me run that first. Error. Okay, undeclared identifier A. So okay, I have to use one more thing. I have to tell the compiler that I am using a variable that is the compiler has to search outside this scope of this file. Okay, so yeah, now everything is fine. Let me run that. 404 hello. Okay, so let me use escape sequence, save that. 404 hello. So we are able to run our multi-file project just by clicking the run button. So let's see how we did that. Okay, तो उसके लिए पहले तो आपके पास कोड रनर नाम का एक एक्सटेंशन है, वो इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए. एक्चुअली कोड रनर जो है ये रन बटन प्रोवाइड कराता है. ठीक है, just by clicking on run button we can run our code. Okay, so yeah, here is the code runner. Okay, and then हम extension settings में जाएंगे. ठीक है, let me close the terminal. Okay, फिर then after okay, code runner executor map by file extension, ये हमें एडिट करना है. ठीक है, ओके, एडिट पे जाने के बाद ऊपर आएंगे स्क्रॉल करके, यहाँ पर देखेंगे C and CPP. ओके, these are two commands for C and CPP. So I have already changed the command for C. Okay, and for C++ it's the default command for a single file. So okay, let me clear that first. Let me copy that and paste it here. So in C we use command gcc, replace all g++ command by gcc. And now what we have to do, just remove the command right side of gcc, then just use this command gcc -c *c. It will compile all the .c file within the directory. Then after compilation we need to link the object file. For that we will use the command gcc-o, and our executable file will be named as main. You can name your executable file anything, I am just calling it main. And we have to link all the object file. For that I will use that *o. Okay, it will include all the object file. After linking all the object file, executable will produced by the name of main, and we have to run that executable by the command /main. And after executing our program, I will just delete all the object file and the main file, and all the object file. Okay, so just save that setting, and in CPP we can just copy that setting in CPP also, and you need to just substitute GCC by G++, and here also G++. अभी CPP का कमांड वैसे रहने देते हैं. ठीक है, so this is the command you need to change in setting.json, and you need to save that. Okay, now let me run that program again just by clicking the run button, and yeah, it is showing our command. Okay, now let me create a project in C++ and let me show you if we can run that program, multi-file program, by clicking the run button or not. Okay, let me close all the files. Command palette, create C++ project. We need to create a new folder. I will just name that project C++. Okay, I will just open that. Yeah, so our project has been created, and we have a source file main.cpp. I'll just create a simple multi-file program, extern I sorry INTA, and I'm gonna use that here. I'm gonna print that a variable here. Okay, so let me do the command line arguments. It's of no use. Let me create another file by the name of other.cpp. I am going to declare here integer a and going to initialize that with 404. That's not a special number, I'm just using it. Okay, now let me run that. It will just give me an error. Okay, yeah, that is giving me a linker error, linker command failed. Okay, so obviously एरर आना ही था. मैंने अभी C++ के लिए सेटिंग चेंज नहीं करी है, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, अभी C++ के लिए सेटिंग चेंज करता हूँ. तो वापस जाते हैं कोड रनर पे, कोड रनर. ओके, एक्सटेंशन सेटिंग्स, एंड देयर we need to change, yeah, code runner executor map by file extension. We need to search for cpp, and here we get cpp, and after this we need to change everything. Okay, first of all let me save that command. Okay, copy, I will just save that command. Okay, I have saved that. Now cd directory, and I am asking for the compilation of all the cpp file. After the compilation I am going to link all those object file by the command g++.o, and the executable file will be named as main, and it is going to link all the object file. And after linking I am just going to execute the main file. After executing I am going to delete all the main and object files. Okay, so now the setting has been updated. Okay, now let me run that. It should give me an output. Yeah, here the output is showing it's 404. So we can use multi-file project in VS Code also, just by changing few settings. So Mac users can, it is beneficial for Mac user, like VS Code बहुत लोग पसंद करते हैं, तो that's great for them, like they can use multi-file project. Okay, so thank you.